Hi friends, I'm back with a new video and sharing how you can draw the flower. So the video is so easy and having a very simple step. Another important thing, my mother is helping for this video. She will draw and I just make a voiceover for this video. So let's begin. First of all, we have to make the stick part of the flower, then some circular shapes, two circular shapes. Then these curly lines, and that will basically the part of the flower. I agree you may have a fade overview, but just wait for some minutes. After the drawing will complete, definitely she will highlight with the marker so that you will get the better idea. So she is repeating the same pattern for 5 to 6 times to make this flower. You can adjust the width or length of each of the leaf of the flower so that you may have a symmetry. Or inside that you can also draw the semi-structured smaller leaves also. You can definitely resize the flower size, shape up to your requirements. As soon as the initial sketch will complete, whenever she will use the highlighter or a black marker, you will get the better view. A flower with two leaves and a stick. Almost completed. Now the time is to highlight it to make a more clear overview. So what was the first step? The drawing of two oval or a circular shapes. So it's done. Then you can draw the small leaves. I'm sure now you have the better idea what she is going to draw. And corresponding big size leaves to make the flower more blooming. She have drawn 6 leaves, but it depends. If the width of each of the leaf is high, then I think so 5 leaf could also be adjustable. Stick part. For that she have drawn 2 curly lines, then leaf number 1 and then the leaf number 2. That's it guys. You have saw how easily she have drawn this flower. So now the next step would be the coloring of this flower. So for the colors, definitely for the stick part you will use brown color, or a dark skin color could also be adjustable. Green color is also a good option. Inside the flowers you can use red, yellow, pink, this sort of colors. For the leaves you will use light and a green, dark color of green. So firstly she is filling the inner portion of the flower with the red marker. That's completed. Inner circular is also inner circle is also filled with the red color, and the upper portion of the circle is filling with um, paint marker. So this is a flower having the two shades pink and red. So guys, you will complete the video uh, to watch the end and how the final look will presented. That's it. I'm sure you will try this drawing tutorial and let me inform in our comment section how was your experience and how's your drawing will look like. Take care, goodbye, and don't forget to watch the video till end and subscribe and comment. Take care.